Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi A5. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a clear view and easy access to all controls. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and the MMI infotainment system. Understanding these initial steps will set you up for a smooth and enjoyable driving experience, making your journey both safe and intuitive from the very beginning. Once you are settled, press the brake pedal and push the engine start/stop button to bring your Audi A5 to life. The engine will purr to attention, ready for the road. Next, select Drive on the automatic transmission shifter. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, which is often a small button near the gear selector. You are now ready to gently press the accelerator and begin your journey. The Audi A5 offers several advanced features to enhance your drive. Experiment with Audi Drive. Select to switch between modes like Comfort for a smooth ride or Dynamic for a sportier feel. For longer trips, activate Cruise Control to maintain a consistent speed, reducing driver fatigue. Also, familiarize yourself with driver assistance systems such as Lane Assist and Parking Aid, which provide extra layers of safety and convenience. When you arrive at your destination, shift the transmission into park and engage the electronic parking brake for security. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine completely. Before you leave, double-check that all lights and accessories are off to conserve battery life and ensure everything is secure. Your Audi A5 is now safely parked and ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.